If your warehouse keeps losing wireless connection, your operations suffer with it. When wireless connections keep dropping, tasks take longer, updates get delayed, and productivity starts to suffer. In this video, we'll look at the most common causes of warehouse wireless disconnections and how to fix them. One common cause is poor wireless coverage. There may not be enough access points to provide reliable signal throughout the warehouse. In other cases, the access points are installed, but not positioned correctly. That can create weak spots or dead zones in key work areas. The issue may also come from the handheld devices themselves. Some scanners use outdated wireless cards or are simply not compatible with the network. To pinpoint the issue, start with a wireless site survey or heat map. This helps identify areas with poor coverage or no coverage at all. It is also important to review your access point specifications, including coverage range and wireless bands. You should also check for interference from racks, cargo, or equipment. Finally, make sure your handheld scanners are fully compatible with your wireless network. Fixing these issues can help your team stay connected, reduce delays, and keep warehouse operations moving. If you're having wireless disconnection issues or want to implement a secure and reliable setup in your warehouse, request a meeting with one of our experts. Visit Cyzerg.com to schedule a quick intro call and discuss the best wireless setup for your warehouse operation. One partner, one connected stack.